Welcome everyone. In the paper Basic Numerical Methods, the first module is Numerical Expressions and Equations, otherwise known as Theory of Equations. Under Theory of Equations, we have learned about the concept of equation, what are the basics and how an equation is made, or what are the items comprising an equation. And under that we have learned about different types of equations. One is simple linear equation with first degree or with one unknown. First degree means here the 4x plus 3 equal to 7. Here 4 followed by an unknown variable. If there is only one variable, it is known as one unknown. If there is more than one variable, like here it is x and y are there, it is known as an equation with two unknowns. And first degree means usually a variable may be followed by raised to 2 or 3 or raised to 4, like that, x raised to 2 or x square, like that. When variable alone is given, it is known as first degree. When an equation is like this, just assume 4x square, x raised to 2. If such an equation comes, it is known as second degree. So whenever a variable followed by raised to 2, it is known as second degree. If it is raised to 3, it is known as third degree. So here these are the cases of unknown variables, where this one is first degree with one unknown variable, here also first degree with two unknown variables. Here first degree with three unknown variables, see x, y, z. Usually you have to learn about equations where only three unknown variables will be given. And finally quadratic equation. So under these types of equations, simultaneous equations of first degree with two unknowns can be solved using two methods. We have discussed in detail one method, so let us discuss in detail the other method for finding the solution for simultaneous equations of first degree with two unknowns. Simultaneous equations of first degree in two unknowns. Actually there are two methods. One is solution by elimination, another is solution by substitution. The solution of elimination method or solution by elimination method is the most common method used to find the value of the unknown variables. We all know that method. We have learned about that method in your smaller classes. I hope you all know how to solve a linear equations like x plus y equal to 2 and x plus y equal to 3. How you are going to solve that? We all know we have to bring together any one of the variable in the same pattern and give different signs so that we can cancel one variable. From that you can find the value of other variable. Substitute that value of the variable in the equation, any one of the equation given in the question, you will get the answer. That is the most basic linear equation solving method. That is known as solution by elimination. That is a common method. Anyway, next one is solution by substitution. As the name suggests, you will be given two equations where two unknown variables will be there. You have to develop one of the equations in such a way that you need to select one variable from any of the equations, and it should be modified in such a way that it can be substituted in the other equation. I hope you will get confused by this explanation. Anyway, let us go through the steps involved in that. Solution by substitution. The main steps in the solution by substitution are: find the value of one of the unknowns from any one of the equation in terms of the other unknown. I have mentioned that you will be given two equations containing two unknown values, and you need to select any one unknown and modify that equation in such a way that you can substitute that equation in the another equation given in the question. Substitute this value in the other given equation. I have mentioned that. Then we get a new equation with only one unknown. I will explain a case, then you will get the meaning of that. Solve this equation and get the value of the unknowns. We will definitely find it. Substitute this value in any one of the equation to get the value if the other unknown. Let's see how this case is done. X plus y equal to 8, 2x minus y equal to 7. As per the solution by elimination, I believe all of you know how to solve this one. By simple linear equation solution, you will put a line here. Here directly you can see that here y and y, they are of similar values or similar position and having different signs, so you can easily cancel these two items. You will get 3x equal to 15, that is x equal to 5. Now you have the value of x, substitute the value of x in any one of the equation, you can easily find the value of y. This is a basic method you have learned in your smaller classes for solving a linear equation. This method of solving or finding the value of unknown variables, like two variables, unknown two values, this is known as solution by elimination. But now we are going to learn how the same can be solved by using the method of substitution method. As the name suggests, you need to substitute one equation in another. So how we are going to substitute one equation in another? That was the steps mentioned there. You need to make modification in any one of the equation. You can choose any one equation, any one of the equation in such a way that you can substitute one in another. So let me show how we are going to do that. So x plus y equal to 8, it was given directly in the question. Let it be 1. For the computation convenience, we are putting it 1. And 2x minus y equal to 7, let it be 2. Now for the computation purpose, it will be much better to select an equation having only variables. Usually you will not come across such questions. Usually you will come across a question where 2x minus 5y equal to 12, like that. Every variable will be associated with the numbers. So here x plus y equal to 8, kindly go for that equation, then your computation will be much easier. So x plus y equal to 8, you can select any one of the variable from this. That is, either you can select x, you can select y. Why you are choosing x or y? Next step you will understand the concept. X equal to 8 minus y. You can either select y or x. For the computation purpose, I am now selecting x. So x equal to 8 minus y. Now we can put this equation as number 3. Now you need to substitute this number 3 in equation number 2, because that was a step mentioned in the solution by substitution heading. So you need to substitute this one in the second equation. How? Because in the second equation it was 2x minus y equal to 7, but we have made necessary arrangements in the first equation so that x equal to 8 minus y. So we can substitute this x value, that is 8 minus y, in this ax. Yes, we can definitely substitute that. So instead of 2x, we can write 2 into, here we already created a value for x, that is 8 minus y. So 8 minus y minus y equal to 7. So when you open the brackets, you will get 2 into 8, 16 minus 2y minus y equal to 7. Now you solve that, you will get 16 minus 3y equal to 7. And as per the basics of equation, you need to shift all the known values. Known values means any numbers or numerics to the right side of the equal sign, and all the unknown variables should be shown in the left hand side of the equal sign. So it will be minus 3y equal to 7 minus 16. By solving that, you will get minus 3y equal to minus 9, that is 3y equal to 9. Finally y equal to 3. So now you have y equal to 3. If you substitute this y in any of these equation, we can go for this one. X equal to 8 minus y, we already found the value of y, so x minus 8 minus 3, you will get 5. So x is 5 and y is 3. Before doing this computation method using substitution, we already found the value of x and y. How? Because we all know the method of solution by elimination. That is the most common method which we have learned in your smaller classes. At that time you might not know the name of the method. It is known as solution by elimination. In the examination, you may come across a question like this. You can use any one of the method. There is no discretion regarding that. But if there is any specification given in the question that you need to solve this question using any of the method specified, in that case you have to follow the method specified in the question. Otherwise you can follow any of the method which you are aware about. So you got the value x equal to 5 and y equal to 3. And next let us discuss another case. 4x plus 2y equal to 6, 5x plus y equal to 6. Find the value of x and y. I believe you all know how to solve this kind of linear equations, or finding the value of x and y. But in the question, if they are specifying to use any of the method, kindly follow the method specified in the question. Anyway, how you are going to solve this one? In the previous case I have mentioned that whenever there is any equations given in the question, you have to go for the simple equation, that is only variables given. But in this case you can see that both the equations is almost similar, comprising of numbers along with the variables. So which one has to be selected? We can select any of the two equations. Anyway, let us go with the first one. Let it be 4x plus 2y equal to 6, let it be 1, and 5x plus y equal to 6, let it be 2. We can select first equation for the computation, so we can use 4x equal to 6 minus 2y. Remember, when you select a variable, you can either select x or y. Here for the computation purpose I am selecting 4x. 4x equal to 6 minus 2y. We can't take this one directly in the second equation because here it is 4x. We need only the variable side. So how we can remove this 4x? That means 4x equal to 6 minus 2y. So we can shift the value 4 to the right hand side of the equal sign. So it will be like 6 minus 2y by 4. In whatever case or whatever the question, whatever the type given in the question, make sure to bring the variable alone in the left hand side of the equal sign. Like this, here it is directly given x plus y equal to 8. That is why we have not done any method or any step like this in the previous question. That is why I have mentioned that kindly go for an equation that contain only variable factors. In this question there is no variable factors alone case, since we have to follow this method. So x equal to 6 minus 2y by 4. Now substitute this third equation. We are assuming let it be third equation. Let's substitute this third equation in equation 2. So substituting 2, you will get 5x plus y equal to 6. And we have assumed that x equal to 6 minus 2y by 4. So 5 instead of x, show this one, 6 minus 2y by 4 plus y equal to 6. Multiplying this 5 with the numerators of this one, so 5 into 6, 30, minus 5 into 2, 10y by 4 plus y equal to 6. So we can solve this one by cross multiplying this. So it will be 30 minus 10y plus 4y whole divided by 4 equal to 6. It can be again solved into 30 minus 6y by 4 equal to 6. And finally 30 minus 6y equal to 6 into 4, that will be 24. That is minus 6y equal to 24 minus 30, you will get minus 6, and minus 6y equal to minus 6, and 6y equal to 6, and finally y equal to 1. So from here you can see that here means in this method, after this step means 30 minus 10y by 4 plus y equal to 6, these steps are really unnecessary. We can simplify these steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps in 2 or 3 steps. See, I believe you all understand this step, that is 13 minus 10y by 4 plus y equal to 6, which can be easily solved by following this one. See, 30 minus 10y plus y equal to 6. Here 30 minus 10y by 4. Okay. Anyway, cross multiply all the numerators, you will get 30 minus 10y plus 4y equal to 24. Or else you can multiply each of these with the 4. 30 minus 10y by 4 into 4, 4 will be cancelled, so 30 minus 10y will remain alone. After that, y into 4 it will be 4y, and 6 into 4 it will be 24. You can follow any of the method which I have mentioned now. Now bring together all the numbers associated with variables in the left hand side of the equal sign and all the numerics to the right hand side of the equal sign. You will get minus 6y equal to 24 minus 30, and finally y equal to 1. See, usually in textbooks you can see that they will bring some unnecessary steps or explanation for the computations. There is no rule regarding you have to follow this steps or you have to follow that step. There is no rule regarding that. The thing is, you need to follow the basic mathematics rules. We can follow your own steps, but it doesn't overrule the basic max rule. That is the concept. See, all these steps can be simplified in a simple 2 or 3 steps. You can do like this in your examination. It doesn't mean that you need to follow all the steps that is stated in your textbook. Okay, you have got the value of y. Now you can substitute the value of y in any of these equations. You can either use the equation given in the question, or you can use this 1, 2 or 3, any of the equation. Substituting the equation value of y in any of these equations, you will get the value of x. So finally x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. So this is known as the solution by substitution method. Let us discuss one more case, then you will get a clear picture regarding this one, and we will go on to next area. Solution by substitution. I believe now you have understand the steps which are showing here. Sometimes in the examination you might be asked to write down the steps for finding the solution by substitution method or any of the methods. So go through these theoretical aspects or these points. Anyway, next question. X by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 5 and 3x minus 2y equal to 6. This is another pattern. The computation and methods followed previously will be followed here also, but the thing is, the question is quite different. So whenever you come across a question like this, try to bring together both the equation in the same pattern. Here it is in fraction, here it is not in a fraction. So bring together this fraction equation, fractional equation, in a normal equation like this. For bringing together the equations in a similar pattern, you can follow any method. You can either multiply it with any number, or you can divide it with any number, whatever you like. So for bringing this fraction or fractional equation to a normal equation like this, let us assume first equation be 1 and second equation be 2, and now we can multiply the first equation with any number which is divisible for 2 and 3 in order to remove the fraction. So if you multiply this first equation with 6, you can see that x by 2 into 6, 2 we can cancel with 3, it will be 3x, plus y by 3 into 6, we can cancel 3 into 2, 6, so it will be 2y, equal to 6 into 5, 30. So 3x plus 2y equal to 30, which can be written as 3x equal to 30 minus 2y. In the prior cases, I have selected variable x. There is no rule regarding you have to select x. You can either select y or whatever the variable given in the question. That's up to your discretion. So 3x equal to 30 minus 2y, where x equal to 30 minus 2y by 3. Remember, you have to bring this to a variable alone factor. You need to remove any numerics or number associated with the variable. X equal to 30 minus 2y by 3. Now we can substitute this third equation in the second one. So substituting in the second equation, it will be 3x minus 2y equal to 6. Instead of x, we can write 3 into 30 minus 2y by 3 minus 2y equal to 6. By solving that, you will get this 3 and this 3 are cancelled. So now 30 minus 2y equal to 6, which can be written as 30 minus 4y equal to 6, which can be solved as minus 4y equal to 6 minus 30, 6 minus 30 is minus 24, finally 4y equal to 24. You can see that here it is minus 4y and here it is minus 24. If there is negative sign in the both sides, that is one in the left hand side unknown values and one in the numbers in the right hand side, you can automatically remove these signs, because since both the numbers or both the sides have the same signs and is negative sign, it will be automatically become positive by the end of the computation. So we can remove that sign. That is why here we have shown only 4y equal to 24. Finally y equal to 6. Now you can substitute the value of y in any of these cases, either 1 or equation 2 or equation 3. You can easily get the value of x. See, they have substituted the same in this one. X equal to 30 minus 2y by 3, they got x equal to 6. So now the value of x and y is 6 and 6. Remember, you can follow any of the method you have learned, but if there is any specification regarding which method has to be followed to find the value of x and y, in that case try to follow the method specified in the question. So this is how you have to solve linear equations containing two unknown values of first degree using the method of substitution.